Welcome. Today we're going to be talking about the SmartyList CLI, which is a downloadable application that Smarty provides in order to help you upload addresses in a quick and painless manner. You're going to need the application itself and a large file of addresses. This particular set of sample addresses is a file of 5 million addresses. Unlike the bulk upload tool, the SmartyList CLI does not have a file limit. So right here we have SmartyList. You specify the input file, which in this case is our cleverly named just sample addresses. We're going to give it the A-OK, and it's just going to start plugging through these addresses as fast as your plan allows. As it runs, you'll see progress in both the raw amount of addresses and the percent of your file that SmartyList is currently working through. This will continue until the job is complete, where the CLI will write the results to the specified output file, as well as a log showing you any errors that it might have encountered or other metadata information about the job itself. So here's a couple of things to keep in mind about the CLI. The number one factor that impacts your speed with the CLI is your Smarty plan. There's various Smarty plans that have different amounts of throughputs depending on your specific need. If you find that the current throughput is not sufficient for your current needs, reach out to us. The second biggest factor is your internet connection. If you're still rocking dial-up internet, then you might not be getting the necessary speed. The third biggest factor is your machine hardware. By default, the SmartyList CLI will use all available resources on your computer to just crank through these addresses as fast as it can. If you have a 4-core machine, it'll utilize all of that. In short, the SmartyList CLI is a massive address processing tool that runs on your computer without needing to program up your own solution to connect to Smarty APIs.